XRP just plummeted nearly 40% in one day before bouncing back. That dramatic crash and rebound is shaking confidence and creating opportunity in the crypto world. Welcome to Cryptrex, where I share crypto forex stories and deep market insights. Remember, this is not financial advice. It is only for educational purpose. Before you trade, do your own research, because you are fully responsible for your decisions. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ask any question in the comments below. Earlier today, XRP faced one of its most volatile trading sessions of the year. The price dropped sharply to around $1.64 before recovering to nearly $2.36 within hours. Trading volumes skyrocketed, rising more than 160% above the monthly average. This massive movement suggested panic selling and forced liquidations across major exchanges. Despite the chaos, many large investors, known as whales, took advantage of the dip. They began accumulating XRP in massive quantities, showing that big players still believe in Ripple's long-term potential. This wave of accumulation brought quick stability back to the market. On the fundamental side, Ripple continues to expand its global presence. The company has strengthened relationships with financial institutions and payment networks, positioning XRP as a bridge asset for cross-border transactions. Institutional interest has also grown, with billions of dollars now being held in XRP by corporate investors worldwide. Technically, XRP remains in a critical zone. The coin recently fell below its major support level of $2.80 and is now testing the $2.74 area. If the price holds above this zone, we might see a potential rebound toward $2.90 or even $3. However, if it breaks down further, bearish momentum could return, leading to another correction. AI-based price forecasts and market analysts are still optimistic for the long term. They predict that if Ripple continues to expand and regulatory clarity improves, XRP could climb above $3 before the end of 2025. The key factors remain adoption, liquidity, and investor confidence. Still, traders should stay cautious. The crypto market remains unpredictable. Regulatory issues, market manipulation, and global financial shifts could easily impact XRP's short-term price movement. As always, understanding risk management is more important than chasing hype. Thank you for watching this XRP update on Cryptrex. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Here, we share real crypto updates, deep analysis, and trading education to help you understand the markets better. Stay focused, stay informed, and remember, knowledge is your best investment. This is Cryptrex, signing off.